Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we will be learning how to unhide chat on Viber. If you want to unhide a specific chat on Viber, then follow along. First of all, open up the Viber application on your smartphone. Make sure that you're logged in, and once you are in the home page or the chat page, go ahead and get to the search icon at the top right and tap on it. In the search bar, type down your name of the contact or the PIN that you set in order to hide a specific chat. After you type down the PIN, you will see the hidden chat displayed. Tap on the hidden chat and you will be able to open up the chat screen. Now click on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on Chat Info. Here, scroll from the menu and tap on Unhide this chat. You will then need to enter your 4-digit PIN once again that you previously set, and this will help you unhide the chat, and the chat will be back on your chat screen. That is how you can easily unhide a specific chat on Viber. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.